Yeah, on our tutorial today I want to teach us how to withdraw ACH cash. ACH cash withdrawal on Anchor is usually every 20th of every month. So how to do that? You first of all must have set up your account. So how to withdraw on your ACH now? This is my ACH. You come to withdraw here. You click on withdraw. You see your balance will show here. Now my available balance I can withdraw now is my sales commission, which is this $8. But on that 20th, it will be activated. It's because it's not activated now, that's why it's not showing the balance here. So on that 20th, your balance will be activated. It will be showing you, so you can withdraw your ACH on 20th of every month. So if you're on pro package, you can withdraw from $48 and above, and if you're on silver package, you can withdraw from $38 minimum. Minimum of $38. Pro minimum of $48. How you do that? Just type in the amount. This 25 means 25,000. This 38 means 38,000. This 48 like this means 48,000. So by the time you type, like when you type the amount like this, just click on this withdraw. You'll see withdrawal successful written on it. So you hold for your withdrawal alerts for like 5 hours. But I encourage everyone to withdraw very early, around that kind 12 to 1 a.m. 12 p.m. to 1 a.m. being 19th of this month, 19th stroke 20th. So you'll be among the first batch of people that is withdrawing, so you get paid earlier. So that is how ACH cash is being withdrawn. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, click the like and subscribe button and drop any question in the comment section. I'll take my time to come and reply and give you the solution you need. Thank you.